Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you Hugging Face tutorial for beginners. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering what is Hugging Face here, how do you sign up, how do you create your account, and what are the basic things that you need to know. So first, let's go and discuss what is Hugging Face. So Hugging Face is an AI and machine learning platform that provides tools, models, and datasets for developers, researchers, and businesses working with natural language processing or NLP, computer vision, and other AI application. Now, at its core, Hugging Face is best known for its Transformers library, which offers pre-trained deep learning models for tasks like text generation, translation, summarization, question answering, and more. However, it has expanded beyond just NLP to include audio processing, image classification, and reinforcement learning here. Now, you might be wondering who uses the Hugging Face platform here. So first, there are developers and researchers to build and fine-tune AI models. The platform is being used by businesses and startups as well to integrate AI into applications. Now, they also have students and AI enthusiasts using the platform to learn and experiment with different AI models. Now, in this case, how do you create your account here? How do you get started? Well, first thing that you want to do here is you want to go and just go to the website, which is just going to be huggingface.co or co. Now, at the top right, you have log in and sign up. So you want to go and click on sign up. Now, in here, it's going to say, let's confirm you are human. So let's go and click on begin. And let's do a few security checks here. So choose all the hats here. Let's go and choose the hats here. And click on confirm. And from here, we now want to provide our details. So first is you want to go just provide your email address as well as your password here. Let's go provide our email address and let's go provide our password here and click on the next button. Now, on the next page here, it's going to ask you to provide some details about yourself. That includes your username here. Let's go and provide a username. You have your full name. You have your Twitter username as well, LinkedIn profile, GitHub username, homepage here, and also AIH and ML interest. But these are all optional here. What is just that you need to fill up here is going to be your full name and your username here. But obviously, if you want to add those, you could go and just add your usernames here if you want. Now, let's go ahead and use a username here that I want to use here. And if you want to upload your avatar, you can upload file here. Just choose whatever avatar, go on open or whatever you want to use. And in here, you can just click on create account at the very bottom. By the way, you need to agree to the terms of service and code of conduct here. Now, if you want to read or learn more about this, you have the link for it. So you can just click on it and read further on it. So obviously, it's going to be quite a lot here. So you can just take your time. But let's go and agree to this one. Click on create account. Now, in this case, it should start creating your account here. It's going to welcome you into the platform itself. So in this case, welcome to Hugging Face here. Now you can go and just choose the feed that you want to, like for daily papers, hugging chat, data studio, local models if you want to explore those. Or in this case, if you want to go to app builder, specify that, explorer, engineer, researcher, depending on your interest here. But let's go ahead and click on the skip to feed. Now, by the way, when you first enter into Hugging Face here, it's going to say, please check your email address for confirmation link. So in this case, you need to confirm your account that you're really the owner of that email address. So I would recommend you to first visit your email here. So let's just go to Gmail here, access our account. So access Hugging Face here. Just click on the link itself. Once you click on the link, it's going to say join your organization, or you could go and create your organization. So say Hugging Face will be more fun. So in this case, you go and dismiss this. But our email address has been successfully verified here, which is good. So in that case, you could just create your organization if you want. Let's go click create organization here. And let's go and name a few things. So first is our organization username. So let's just say this is going to be the org. The org here. Obviously, you could add whatever you want. Organization type here is going to be university, community, government. Let's go choose community. You have your homepage here. You can add a name for it. You can also add your logo. Organization full name if you want to add that, but this is required, so you can just type it in. Have your Git name username, Twitter username for this org, and AIM and ML interest. If you want, you can go and click on create organization here once you've done it. So in this case, there are going to be some specific, like for example, formatting that you need to follow. So let's just remove the spaces here, make the O capitalized, R capitalized as well. Click on create organization. Now that should be good. So yeah, so we just created our organization here. Now, by the way, you have your own profile here that you could edit as well. So in this case, you have your organization as well. So for your personal profile here at the left side is where the basic things that you can access, like your profile, your inbox, your settings, your billing, and if you want to get pro for the platform, you can go and get the pro one, but obviously that's paid. And also you have your following here. Now you could also like search for models and datasets if you want to. Now you could follow different people like the Meta Llama here, create follow for open source languages. So you click on follow here, you should be able to start following. So if you click on that account, as you can see, this organization. So as you can see, you can really read into it, like team members for it, the recent activity they had, like from organization card here as well. So if you want to view your activity feed, you can click on the activity feed here, what they just did. So yeah. So when we actually go back here, it's going to give you different options to view like the models, datasets, spaces, papers, collections. Now, obviously, you could follow more people. In this case, it will give you more information or give you more details in your feed here. So yeah. Now, let's go ahead and refresh this. As you can see, our organization now should appear. So my organization, let's go back in here. Now, with your organization, you could change a few things here. Like what we saw before, you could create a card here. So basically, this is information about your organization, short description, license. I have that space SDK here. So static, we have that. We have Docker as well, Gradio. Now, for you have your static template here as well, like paper project, Gradio Lite, or Transformers.js. I have your space hardware here, which is free. You have your public and private if you want to change the this case the privacy for this one. So you can go and click and create space if you want. But yeah, let's go back here. And also, if you want to change your organization settings, you can go and click organization settings. You can change the organization name, upload your own logo, your website. Again, organization type, AIML interest, GitHub username. Also have your access tokens, your billing here, your members. If you want to add like members, if you want to inviting users by sharing a link, allow or request to join from organization page here if you want to allow that. You also have your account details as well if you want to change those. So in this case, go ahead and click on save changes here just in case you made any changes. But yeah, let's go and go back into our organization here. And also you have the new options. So you can add like models, datasets here, spaces, collections if you want. So yeah. So in this case, that's about it. So those are the basics that you need to know here about Hugging Face. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Lan App. Thank you for watching.